Hello viewers, so today we are using the marquee tag and sub tag in HTML. So how do we use it? So let me give an example for you. So let's first give the example here. Let's duct tape HTML, then give HTML, write HTML, give an close bracket, and then give enter. Write head, give close bracket, and then give enter. So how to use the marquee tag in HTML? So let me first show you that. So first what marquee does is that, let me show you. When you use marquee tag here, write marquee, make sure the spelling is like this, given close bracket, and in the middle right here something, for example, welcome to. So here, right here, welcome to Nirjesh Ibadat's channel. Here you have to write it, and so on. When you save it by writing Ctrl C, then click this go live button on here, click this, and then here it says, here see, marquee means this, something floating like this. As you can see here, this will go like this, and if you want it to go to the right, then you need to do CSS. So I'm just showing this for example here. Now it will again come from the right side. So now it's time for us to use the sub in HTML. So let's use it. So for example, let's give for an example P, which is short for paragraph. In P tag, give right here, just right here H1 to make it a bit bigger, and right in here, for example, give bracket, and right here A plus B whole square. Now how do we move the 2 to the square? Should we give an exponent and 2? Will that work? Do you think that it will work? Okay, so let's write the whole one, then we will see. A square is equal to A exponent 2 plus 2AB plus B exponent and then here write for 2. So let's save it and let's go to Firefox, and here it shows like this. So how do we put this 2 thing on up in here? So how do you do that? So let's go to Visual Studio Code, and here first the thing you have to do is just cut this exponent and right here, given open bracket, and right here sub. The sub is the helper, it will suggest, so you just delete the 2, and in between of them just write 2, and then delete this, and right here again sub here. So let me do it for shortcut easily. Just copy it here and paste it here. Done. Here and again here. So now let's save it and let's see what happens now. Here, see, I said you, when you give that sub thing, now here Am I right? Here, see, now the square is on, now it's becoming a true whole square. Here a square and here b square. See? So now, for example, what if you use, wait, let me write it, h1, let's give paragraph, we get here h1, and write in between that water. Okay, water. Then give an enter and write here P. You know, water is H2O, and the 2 is in the bottom left corner of H or hydrogen, whatever you say. So how do we write that? So should we like H2 and H2O? Will this work? You think? Okay, let's save it and switch here. No, oh, it doesn't show. So how do we do that? So you have to do is go to VS Code and here just like this. Here is there is something difference. Just give here. Write sub, not sub. Write sub. So write here sub and in between that write 2. Remember when you want to put something in right cor up corner, then you have to do is to write sub, and when in right bottom, then you have to use sub. So now let's see. Save the changes and see H2O. Now the 2 is in here. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I will give next videos like this. Thank you. Like and subscribe.